Morning, everybody. It is Thursday at 2:20 in the morning. Anyways, just figured I'd get up early, that way we get a jump start on today. Hopefully make it over to South Dakota in time to, get unloaded kind of early. Make it down to wherever we're gonna reload nice and early. So just wanted to get a jump start on it, Maybe if I get a jump start, get there earlier, I can be home earlier. So that's the plan. We got I think roughly like 8.5 hours or something like that. So should be over there, I don't know, noonish. So enough jibber jabbering. Let's hit the road. Here we go, 2 in the morning, 3 in the morning, people just sitting at the fuel islands all night. Like, let's go. I don't know what you guys are doing. Nobody got time for this shit, okay? Here we are in Casper, Wyoming, the Flying J, or Evansville, I think is the technical name for it. Oh, anyways. We'll walk around, take the scenic route over to the other side, and finish fueling on this side. Alright, get these windows scrubbed up. Alrighty, we're all fueled up, and now we just gotta, negotiate this little bit of a thing here. Back out on the old highway. Try to beat the morning traffic, That's what we're doing over here. Might be a lot of traffic over in Lusk, Wyoming, so I'm trying to get there prior to it, Beat that morning rush. Alrighty, well, that was nice, just like we planned. Get through Lusk without, before the traffic. So, anywho, we got 6 hours of driving before we got to take a break. 6 hours and 13 minutes till we get there. I don't know. That's a 11-minute deficit. Ugh. Can we make that up? I think I'd have to do about 95 miles an hour if my math is correct, but somebody check me on that. Anywho, we'll get back to cruising. Alright. Alright, we are in South Dakota now. Trucker path showing we got 5 hours and 25 minutes to go. I don't know about you guys, but when the sun comes up, like even if I just started when it was dark, you know, even after a full night's sleep, if I start driving at dark and then the sun comes up, man, it just wears me out. I get all tired and it'll take about an hour or so after that sun comes up and I'll be wide awake. Anybody else like that? Let me know down in the comments. Anyways, we'll get back to cruising. The roads out here in South Dakota, you know, makes you feel like you're riding a horse, like galloping along. It's ridiculous. Look at that thing, hopping. Ugh, bouncy. Remind me next time to wear my sports bra. We're up here on the old I-90, headed east at a decent pace. We got 3:47 showing on the trucker path, 283 miles to go. It says we'll be there at 12:30. Let's see what the old logbook, take a look at the timber pages. We got 3:24. Yep, definitely gonna have to take a half-hour break here soon. That's alright. I could use a little bit of a stretch. Yeah, get out and get the blood moving, you know. You can only do so many bicycle kicks in the truck. Gotta keep that blood flowing. Anywho, let's get back to cruising. Alrighty, we're just gonna stop here at this rest area, do our little half-hour break. Check out that certified big hauler over there. He's out here probably getting $1 a mile pulling campers and then deadheading back to Indiana. So kind of odd how he doesn't have anything on the side of his truck right now. Wonder what's up with that. Anywho, alrighty, let's get back on the old freeway. Sorry, sliding and gliding, riding and gliding, riding and sliding, whatever. Got a whole 3.5 hours to go, 253 miles. We got all the time to do it. So. Alrighty, let's go get this stuff unloaded. Alrighty, we're getting close to being done. Just had a couple of little belt issues. Chain on the belt seems to be popping a little bit. I got a broken link in the middle on the center chain, so it's been a real treat trying to get this thing unloaded. It just keeps popping and banging, and anyways, just about done. So keep you updated. Alrighty, we're all emptied out. Like I said, I had a little issue with the belt. It was popping and banging. Not really wanting to unload. I got a center link, or got a link on the chain in the center that is broken. I'll show you that here in a little bit. But start heading over to our reload up in Aurora, South Dakota. Go get a load of DDG. So, oh, it's a little frustrating, but you know, stuff happens. So go ahead and get on the road in about a 2-hour drive or whatever. So let's get to it. Alrighty, so as you can see, we got broken bolts here on these cross links. You can see it's bowed up right here. Pretty nasty situation right there. Oh. Remember, I'm a trained professional. Just kidding. Don't do this. Don't fuck around with shit like this. Definitely don't kick it with your Crocs. See how that goes now. Yeah, so that was just binding and popping and snapping and snapping and binding and popping, and it was just terrible. So took a little bit. I had to sit here and babysit it, you know, while unloading. Just no fun. Alrighty, we're just in here blowing this trailer out. That last little bit of fertilizer out of here. That way it's nice and clean for when we go load. These little leaf blowers does pretty good. She's about out of juice though, so hoping we can get done. These things are sticky. These flaps are super sticky from the apple juice. Come on, make it. Yeah, she's starting to die. If anything, I'll just charge it tonight, and then if it needs it, we'll blow it out in the morning when we get up to get ready. I think we might make it. Come on. Come on.
Come on, just a couple more feet, couple more feet. You can make it. Come on. Oh, right at the end, but she'll blow out all right. Anywho, trailer's all cleaned out now. Alrighty, so just over here at the truck stop. Call it a night here. Get up early, head on over there. I think we got like an hour drive, something like that. But yep, been up since 2:30 this morning, ready for bed. So anyways, appreciate everybody watching these videos, liking, subscribing, sharing, commenting, hyping. You guys need to hype more. Come on, man, hype me up. Somebody out there got to be my hype man, you know. Anywho, hope you guys have a wonderful night. Be safe, and see you tomorrow. Bye.